Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, our today lesson is about next four letters: Seen, Sheen, Sod, Lod. Here is again two letters have same shape. The only difference between them are dots. Seen has no dot and Sheen has three dots above. Same thing is here in the case of next two letters. Sod has no dot and Lod has one dot above. Now repeat after me. Seen, again, seen. Now Sheen, again, Sheen. Now the next two letters, Sod and Lod. Sod is a thick and heavy letter. To pronounce it, lift the back of your tongue slightly up and make a deep, thick whistling sound. For now, just read it as you hear it. Don't worry about exact pronunciation at this stage. Right now, our focus is only the recognizing the letter shapes and remembering the letter names. In the coming lessons, we will explain the pronunciation step by step in a way that will surprise you by how easy it is. Inshallah ta'ala. So, right now, raise the back of the tongue to make the sound thick and say after me, Sod. Again, Sod. And now, Lod is also a thick letter. For now, do not focus on its exact pronunciation and articulation. Just try to keep the thick sound you hear. We will understand and learn the correct pronunciation properly in the next series. Inshallah ta'ala. So repeat after me with the thick and heavy sound. Lord. Again, Lord. Now let's say all four letters together. Seen, Sheen, Sod, Lod. Again, Seen, Sheen, Sod, Lod. Perfect for this level. Dear brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the Qur'an easy to approach, and you are walking towards it calmly. This is how learning grows. Now it's time for practice. Below this lesson, you will find the practice exercises. We will gradually improve and upgrade these practices to help you read more fluently. Please pay special attention to the practice because real improvement comes from practice. You have understood the lesson. Now focus on the practice. Very good exercises are coming, so make sure You do them carefully. You are doing steady work, and steady work matters. In the next class, we will continue with new letters and a new pattern. Stay with the journey. We will see you in the next lesson, inshallah ta'ala.